Welcome to Maple Ridge and Pitt Meadows.
You're going to love it here.
We can't wait to meet you and show you around.
There's so much to see and do here.
Our communities are safe and family-oriented. A great mix of rural and urban neighborhoods.
Housing is affordable.
And the schools are excellent.
Experience the great outdoors right from your doorstep.
Farm fresh food and wine.
World-class golf courses.
Hundreds of hiking and biking trails.
Beautiful lakes and rivers.
Camping, fishing and horseback riding.
Sports galore for you and your family.
And we are only 45 minutes from downtown Vancouver and 3 US border crossings.
Lots of weekend getaways only a couple of hours away.
Seattle, the sunny Okanagan, Vancouver Island.
And did we mention skiing at Whistler and Blackcomb?
You can't beat the life-work balance.
We have a supportive community and a growing medical community.
We respect and accommodate all cultures.
With lots of options to tailor your lifestyle.
From acute care, maternity care and residential care.
To opportunities in Ridge Meadows Hospital and more.
We care about our patients' quality of life.
And we care about our doctors too.
Our doctors have a voice in the medical community.
Together, we have the ability to make change.
The division coordinates a variety of events to support us in our practices.
From accredited continuing education and mentorship.
To fund social events for you and your family.
We've even teamed up with the local businesses to roll out the red carpet.
I don't think there is a better place to practice and raise your family.
We are all here to help and support you.
And we can't wait to meet you.
Come for a visit.
And stay for a lifetime.
Join us in Maple Ridge and Pitt Meadows.
You belong here.
You belong here.
You belong here.